Makaih.
Drop.
Alright guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. This is the crashed Cobra rebuild. Today we're going to carry on with putting this thing back together. It is smoking hot here in Arizona. I think it's like 10 o'clock right now and it's already 105 degrees. You can see I'm sweating, it's hot. So we are going to be working, we're going to be taking some breaks, getting in the pool, working some more. This episode we're going to be doing, we're going to start constructing passenger footbox and probably start working on getting our rear end set up to be able to put brakes and make sure that do some damage assessment, see what we got going on with that. But that's where it is. If you guys are new to us, thanks, welcome. Hope you enjoy these videos. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Those of you that have been here before, welcome back. We appreciate you hanging in there with us and getting through this build. So let's get started.
Complicated.
You like it? I like it.
That's good. sure these are all like do you think these are 90 degrees or no?
What?
All of these angles, or do you think they're... all 30-degree bends?
This is only 38 degrees.
Way too much.
Too much!
Still too much. You moved it a degree. You moved it a whole degree down. Your cutting skills are superb. Do you know that?
What?
Your cutting skills are great.
Oh, shite. Oh, shite. Oh, shite, oh, Hennessy's.
What?
I don't know, don't ask.
Hey, look at the box.
I like that. I like that a lot. it is smoking hot. That looks smoking hot. Super excited. That's a big project done, out of the way. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move on to most likely the rear end is what our next thing is. So we're gonna go jump in the pool, get some food. We'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. Took a dip in the pool. Mother Nature is rolling in with a monsoon here in Arizona, so you'll probably hear some thunder, maybe some wind in this thing. But we like it because it cooled off about 10 degrees. So instead of being 114 when we got in the pool, it's only 104 now. So, but as you can see, it's time to do some fun stuff. We got our brakes in. Thank you to Gordon Levy. Gordon Levy put together, this is his brake set from him that he's created from Willwood. So what it is, in the rears we have a nice 4-piston, if you can see that, nice 4-piston caliper in the rear, and then show you the front. These things are huge. It's the same one that we got on my car, but nice 6-piston front. Look at that. Freaking size of my foot. They're huge. They're huge. Huge brakes, but that's what we want. We want it huge so it'll stop us and all that kind of good stuff. So brakes in the house. Now, with Gordon's kit, we got to do a little something different because the brakes are non-floating brakes. So we have to, we've got to reshim the axles in the rear. So you'll see that. That's what we're about to do. Some other things that we got to change out on Gordon Levy's 5-link. We got to change out the rear diff cover also. So put that on, and then there's some more stuff that we get that goes on to turn it into a 5-link. So that's what we're about to carry on with. So let's get started. All right, guys, so critical step here. Because this thing got broken when the motor went forward and it launched the drive shaft out, we noticed that when you spin this, it goes. So
I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but
yeah, well, it might. Anyways, this is wobbling, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the front piece off and see if just the plate is bent or if the actual pinion is bent. If the pinion's bent, then we're putting new gears in it. Hopefully it's not the pinion and it's just the front plate, but that's where we're doing right now. Yeah.
you totally just spaced everything you were saying. I hope you know that.
I told him that if red lock stinks, that if it was done, let me know, and I might actually like drive up there.
Is it in? Where's that?
It's in Phoenix.
Huh.
You want to look at that when we?
Oh, it's bent.
Oh, it's bad. Well, that was a good 1 minute 16-second clip of it's bad.
That sucks.
50 to
Fix it.
just order them in.
I was afraid of this when I forget who said, "Oh, you might have bent a."
Yeah, I wonder, was it the guy who
I
came-
think it was somebody I called when I was like, "Hey, I want to. How much to just change the front?" Well, you might have probably bent the. You shut up. I'm not giving you any more money. Oh, it's gonna stink so bad.
Yeah, it is. Do you want to put the fan on? Do you want to?
Why? Do you want some of this? Let it blow over towards you?
No, I want you to point it that way. Please don't. Let's
So
hold.
there's only 2,300 miles, so it's not gonna stink. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this. As you can see, we are torn down. We've got it all torn apart. We found some more broken components inside. We have this little spider gear bearing that's cracked and broken. We're going to pull. We're gonna be safe on this one. We don't want to be into these rear ends all the time, so we're actually going to take it tomorrow. And we found the pinion bent. And we're going to have an actual rear end place rebuild it for us. They're going to go and put in the zero lash and put in the new clutch pack for us. But yeah, we're going to have them do it. That way we know it's built right and safe and all that kind of good stuff. We know when to play around and when to actually call in the real people to do it. So that's what we're going to do. So with that, we're going to see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us on this one. Front end looks awesome. The drive, the passenger side, footbox looks fabulous. Turned out way better than I expected it to. With that though, if you guys are new and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Please ring that like bell or the bell and press the like button. There we go. That's what we're trying to say. Those of you that have been with us, thanks for watching. There's more to come. We might take a little break here. We got to go see the family in Houston, so we'll be back soon. We're going to try to put some videos out while we're gone though. But we'll see you guys. Thanks.